In this video, we are going to solve consecutive word problems based on simple linear equation. Natural numbers are the number which begin with 1 and each time they are getting increased by 1. That is, if you have 5 as the first natural number, if you add 1 to it, the next number to that would be 6. So 6 is the next natural number to 5. Now the next natural number to that would be 7 and it goes on like that. Here in this case we are talking about consecutive natural numbers. So if you consider any natural number as x, the next natural number to that would be x plus 1 and the next number to that number would be x plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to x plus 2. Let the consecutive natural number be x and x plus 1. So in this case you can say that x plus 1 is the greater consecutive number in comparison with x, which is the smaller, since it is not containing any additional value to it, that is plus 1, minus 1 or anything like that. The two consecutive natural numbers are such that 1/4 of the smaller exceed the 1/5 of the greater by 1. Now in this problem what they are asking us to do, that is we have to take 1/4 of the smaller number, which is the smaller natural number, that is x. So we have to take 1/4 of the smaller number and we have to take 1/5 of the greater number. 1/4 of the smaller number is exceeding. Exceeding means increasing. Increasing by what? Increasing by plus 1 when you are adding this plus 1 to 1/5 of the larger number. When 1 is multiplied to x, we have x upon 4. Now 1 upon 5th is multiplied with both the term of the bracket. So we have 1 upon 5 into x plus 1 upon 5 into 1 and plus 1. Now x upon 4, 1 into x by 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1. Now these are the variable term we are going to take at one side. These are the constant terms. We are going to take them on other side. Since these two fractions are not having equal denominator, either we can cross multiply them or we can take the LCM of the same. In this case, it would be easier to do by cross multiplication. So when you are multiplying this x by 5, you will get 5x, and 4 by x you will get 4x, and minus remains same. Upon 4 5s are 20. Here also we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, since both the fraction are not having equal denominator. So 1 upon 5 plus 5 upon 5. Now if you subtract 4x from 5x, you are going to get x upon 4 5s are 20. Now both the term are having equal denominator, 1 plus 5 upon 5, which is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6 upon 5. X is the variable. When a number is divided by the variable, when it is switched from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side of the equation, it is going to get multiplied. So we have x is equal to 6 upon 5 into 20. We can cut with the help of 5 table. 5 ones are 5 fours are. We are left with x is equal to 6 into 4, which is equal to 6 fours are 24. We have got the natural number as x, which is equal to 24, and the next consecutive number to that is x plus 1, which is equal to 24 plus 1, which is 25. So 24 and 25 are the two consecutive natural numbers. Whole numbers are the number which are going to start with 0 and they continue to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Observe properly, you know that the whole number each time they are getting increased by 1. So if we have the whole number as 5, next whole number to that would be 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. The next number to 6 would be 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So according to the question, we are going to talk about 3 consecutive whole numbers. For that, we need to consider the whole number as x. So let the whole number be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are the 3 consecutive whole numbers. Now, if you take any number, like if you divide 6 by 3, what value you are going to get as 2. So this 2 is nothing but a quotient. Now the question says 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that if they will be divided by 5, 3 and 4, the sum of quotient is 40. Now the first number is getting divided by 5 and the next number is getting divided by 3 and the next number is getting divided by 4. If you divide 5 by x, you are going to get the quotient. X plus 1 by 3, you will get the quotient. X plus 2 by 4, you are going to get quotient. What they are saying, the addition of their quotient is equal to 40. That is, in this case, since all the denominator are different. Either we can do by cross multiplication or by finding the LCM. Finding by LCM method 3, 4 and 5. First we are going to divide by 2. We know that 3 is not divisible by 2, so 3 as it is. If you divide 4 by 2, you're going to get the quotient as 2, and again 5 is not divisible by 2. To the next line, again we are taking 2. Again the 3 is not divisible by 2 and 2 is divisible by 2, that is 1, and 5 is not divisible by 2. Now we are going to take the next number, which is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3, which is 1. 5 is not divisible by 3. So we are left with one number, that is 5. We are going to divide by 5. So we have 1, 1, 5 ones are 5. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 60. So we have the LCM as 60. Now in this case 5 is already there. We need to multiply this equation by 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is multiplying both numerator and denominator by 12. When 3 is in the denominator, that is in the case of second, we are going to multiply 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20, both in the numerator and in the denominator. When 4 is in the denominator, that is in this case, we are going to multiply the fraction by 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Now 12 into x is 12x upon 12 into 5 is 60. This 20 is going to get multiplied with both the term of the bracket. 20 into x is 20x and 20 into 1 is 20 upon 20 into 3 is 60 plus 15 into x is 15x. 15 into 2 is 30 upon 60 is equal to 40. Now, since all the fractions are having same denominator, we can club together the numerator. Now, this 60 can switch to the right hand side of the equation, 40 into 60. Now, we need to bring the like terms together, that is 12x plus 20x plus 15x. 12x plus 20x plus 15x is equal to 47x. 20 plus 30 is 50 is equal to 4 6 are 24 and these two zeros. This plus 50, shifting from the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side, would be minus 50, which further equal to 2350. Since 47 is multiplied with the variable, it will get divided. If you cancel 47 by 1za and 50za, so you have x value as 50. Now the first whole number is 50. The next two consecutive whole number would be 51 and 52. Therefore, the three consecutive whole numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, which is equal to 50, 51 and 52. If you have any doubt related with the video, you can comment down below. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.